Soundbites Academy. Let's talk about the classic fairy tale, Jack and the Beanstalk.
Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Jack and his widowed mother. They were very poor and had only a cow named Milky White to provide them with milk. One day, Milky White stopped giving milk. Jack's mother decided that they had no choice but to sell the cow so they could buy food. Jack's mother said,
"Jack, my dear, you must take Milky White to the market and sell her. We need the money to buy food."
Jack reluctantly agreed and set off to the market with Milky White. On his way, he encountered a mysterious old man. Old Man said,
"Hello, young lad. Where are you off to with that fine cow?"
Jack replied,
"I'm taking her to the market to sell her. My mother and I have no money for food."
Old Man offered,
"I have a better deal for you. I'll give you these magic beans in exchange for your cow. They will bring you fortune and adventure."
Jack, excited by the prospect of adventure, agreed to the trade and returned home with the magic beans. Jack's mother scolded,
"Oh, Jack, you foolish boy. How could you trade our only cow for a handful of useless beans? We have nothing to eat now."
Angry, Jack's mother threw the beans out the window, and they went to bed hungry. The next morning, Jack awoke to find a gigantic beanstalk had grown overnight, reaching high into the sky. Curious and excited, Jack decided to climb the beanstalk. Jack climbed higher and higher until he reached a land above the clouds. There, he discovered an enormous castle. Jack, curious about the castle, decided to sneak inside. Inside the castle, Jack encountered a giant's wife, who was preparing dinner. Jack pleaded,
"Please, ma'am, I'm hungry. Could you spare some food?"
Giant's wife replied,
"You must leave at once. My husband is a fearsome giant who eats little boys like you for dinner."
Just then, they heard the thundering footsteps of the giant returning home. The giant's wife quickly hid Jack in a cupboard. Giant roared,
"Fee fi fo fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman."
Giant's wife reassured,
"It's just the dinner I'm cooking. There's no one here but us."
The giant believed her and began to eat his dinner. Afterward, he called for his magic hen. Giant demanded,
"Lay, hen, lay."
To Jack's amazement, the hen laid a golden egg. After the giant fell asleep, Jack sneaked out of the cupboard, grabbed the magic hen, and ran back to the beanstalk. Jack climbed down the beanstalk, and his mother was overjoyed to see the magic hen laying golden eggs. Their fortune had changed overnight, and they lived comfortably for a time. But Jack's curiosity got the better of him, and he decided to climb the beanstalk again. This time, Jack discovered the giant's magical harp that played beautiful music. Jack decided to take the harp, but as he picked it up, the harp cried out for help. Harp cried,
Master, help! I'm being stolen.
The giant awoke and chased Jack, who ran for the beanstalk. Jack climbed down as quickly as he could, the giant close behind him. When Jack reached the ground, he yelled for his mother to bring an axe. Jack shouted,
"Mother, quick! Bring me an axe! The giant is coming down the beanstalk."
Jack's mother hurriedly fetched an axe, and Jack started chopping at the beanstalk. As the giant neared the bottom, Jack managed to chop through the thick stalk, causing the beanstalk to collapse and the giant to fall to his death. With the giant gone, Jack and his mother were safe. They continued to live comfortably off the golden eggs provided by the magic hen and the beautiful music from the magical harp. Jack and his mother learned an important lesson about the power of curiosity and resourcefulness, as well as the dangers of greed. And so, Jack and his mother lived happily ever after, their lives forever changed by the magical beanstalk and the adventures it brought.
Hope you enjoyed today's story. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.